easy technology fans, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to be talking about 5 ways Windows 11's taskbar is worse than Windows 10's. For all the hoopla about Windows 11, it's clear that some of the taskbar features don't yet match the functionality of the operating system it's replacing, Windows 10. Here are 5 ways Windows 10's taskbar beats Windows 11's as of October 2021. Number 5. You can't move it to different sides of the screen. In Windows 10, you can unlock the taskbar and drag it to the left, right, or top of the screen with ease. This is handy for people who prefer to use the taskbar in a different way. In Windows 11, there's no such official option to relocate the taskbar, and that's unfortunate. With registry hacks, it's possible to move the taskbar to the top of the screen and keep it usable. Unfortunately, the same hack for the left or right side of the screen results in a broken taskbar. We hope Microsoft adds an official way to move the taskbar in a future release. Number 4. You can't easily resize it. In Windows 10, you can make the taskbar larger, allowing it to show more icons at once by unlocking it and dragging its edge. You can also change the icon size from regular to small with a setting in Settings Personalization taskbar. While it's possible to resize the taskbar in Windows 11 while also resizing everything else with the scale setting in System, you'll have to leave much bigger text while doing so. We've found a registry hack workaround that lets you choose between 3 sizes, but an official option for Microsoft would be ideal. Number 3. You can't see the clock on multiple monitors. In Windows 10, you can see the date and time in the corner of every monitor's taskbar, which means checking the time is only a quick glance away. So if you are using more than one screen, the clock is where you'll expect it. In Windows 11, the date and time in the right corner of the taskbar only shows up on the primary display. This one seems like it could be an easy fix in a future version of Windows 11 if enough people request it. Number 2. You can't use classic window labels. In Windows 10, you can choose to kick it old school by always allowing show text window labels beside the app icons in your taskbar. If you don't have too many windows open, it can help you quickly get a grasp of what you are working with. In Windows 11, all your windows get combined under a single icon for each app, and there are no text labels to be found. You suddenly have even less information at your fingertips. That can be a good thing when you're trying to make an interface less visually confusing, but losing the option completely is a mistake. And number 1, you can't drag files onto taskbar icons. In Windows 10, some apps allow you to open files by dragging them directly onto an app's icon in the taskbar, automatically switching focus to the app. Also, you can pin files you frequently use to the taskbar's app icons by dragging them as well. Very handy and quick. In Windows 11, if you try to do either one, you are greeted with a crossed out no symbol and it doesn't work out. We hope that Microsoft will continue to improve the new Windows 11 taskbar over time, but for now the Windows 10 taskbar beats the new Windows 11 taskbar easily in terms of total features. Here's looking to the future. If you found this video helpful, make sure you like, share, and subscribe.